I'm not gonna do too long on this one. It's becoming a bit repetitive, so I'm just gonna have a quick look around this one. I'm just waiting to go to the main one now for the sunset. It's getting dark now. I did think it was gonna rain today, but it hasn't. It's turned out to be a great day after all. The artwork's the same as the other ones. It's just in another location, a different layout. It's worth having a look at because it's got like some of the best ones are more damaged. So when you come to ones like this, you can see some of the work. So when you see it on the other one, you know what it's supposed to look like because you've seen it on another one. So going to lots of them, you sometimes get to see something that wasn't on another one, basically. It's really dark in here, and the sound's not echoing so much. It had a bit of a scary feeling in there. I wasn't scared though, but it had a scary feeling. It just keeps going through and through and through and through, I suppose. I'll have a quick look through it, but I'm not excited to just walk through doorways. Yeah, I like to go this way instead. It's a bit dark. I suppose, like, if there were so many monks and that, they could travel between the different temples and hang out with their friends, I suppose. With all this beautiful artwork in here at the same time. Imagine just hanging around, cleaning around in here. Because that's what I see the monks do now. So when I see the monks now, I try to picture them doing similar things, but in these temples rather than the temples we see them in today. It's a lot of stonework within such a small space, and it's like a jigsaw puzzle. I think guessing, some of this stonework was made and then cut into blocks so that they could use it this way. It's pretty obvious. Some of them are like really strange shapes though. Yeah. These lakes are really special. Imagine like it's shaded. That's another exit out over there. This is another one. if you get the 10-day ticket or even the 3-day, there's some really cool places just to hang out. Some, you know, could have a good day here, just chilling, writing, drawing, playing your guitar, stuff like that. This is that one. Like, so, because everyone wants to be an anchor, people don't realize that some of these other ones are beautiful. This is decent. I didn't even want to come in here, and this is actually better than I thought. Look at this tree. Oh my god. It's better than I thought. So maybe that 10 ticket isn't too bad. You know, in your mind you're like going, I want anchor, but if you can't afford it, this is alright. Get the 10 ticket, man. It's only $15. And if you got that every day, you could do different ones. So like you could do 3 a day and spend some proper time in them and just hang out. If you're with your girlfriend or your children or something, it could be fun. Could be fun. This tree, man. But yeah, don't need to stay here. I get it. There's one like this by my house where I'm staying, so I'm good. Hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Tell them there's a guy from Birmingham, yeah, that thinks he's, I don't know, what's his name? One of them guys. Whatever it takes, man, if that's what you want to say, share it, man, share it. But yeah, it's a lot different to Birmingham, this is. But it's better than just sitting around in Birmingham, looking out the window, watching the cars drive up and down on the road. Look at this, man. The sunset's coming now. I want to see it. So, yeah. Support the course, guys. I'll see you later.